Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Giska Ananda. My student ID numbers 231150002. Okay, next we will discussion teaching scenario. Here's the lesson plan for 2 45-minute session. Each with the HCP efforts to familiarize students with various plane geometry shapes and solid figure. Session 1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Giska Ananda. My student ID numbers 231150002. Okay, next we will discussion teaching scenario. Here's the lesson plan for 2 45-minute session. Each with the HCP approach to familiarize students with various plane geometry, shapes, and solid figure. Session 1, 45 minutes. Introduction, 5 minutes. The teacher welcomes the student and explains that today they will be learning about various plane geometry shapes and solid figure. The teacher asks the student what they already know about plane geometry shapes and solid figure and why it's important to study them. Concept explanation, 15 minutes. The teacher briefly explains the concept of plane geometry shapes such as triangles, quadrilaterals, polygons, and circles, as well as solid figure like a rectangular prism, cubes, cones, and shaper. Visual examples are used to help students understand the characteristics of each shape. Learning activity, 20 minutes. Students are given worksheets containing simple questions about identifying plane geometry shapes and solid figure based on description. Students work individually or in small groups to complete their worksheets. The teacher circulates the classroom to provide assistance and answer student questions. Reflection and close, 5 minutes. The teacher asks reflective questions to the student such as what they learned today about plane geometry, shapes, and solid figure. Students share their talk and the teacher provides brief feedback on their progress today. Session 2, 40 minutes. Concept review, 10 minutes. The teacher reviews the concept of plane geometry, shapes, and solid figure learned in the previous session. Several visual examples are displayed and students are asked to identify the type of shapes presented. Appreciation of concept, 20 minutes. Students are given more challenging worksheets that require them to calculate the arc, perimeter, volume, or surface area of various plane geometry shapes and solid figures. Students work individually or in groups to complete the worksheet. The teacher moves around the class to provide assistance and ensure students understand the concept. Discussion and problem solving, 10 minutes. The teacher led a class discussion on some of the challenging problems from the worksheets, emphasizing the method as to solve them. Students share their problem-solving strategies, and the teacher provides sportive feedback. Final reflection 5 minutes. The teacher asks reflexive questions about what students learned it in today's session and how they feel about their ability to identify and calculate various plane geometry shapes and solid figures. Students share their reflection and the teacher after praise and encouragement for their progress. With this scenario, students have the opportunity to then their understanding of plane geometry shapes and solid figure thought structure and further learning activities. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.